can now withdraw your USDT from your data force into exchanges. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through. For those of you that have not been farming data force, you can check the link in the description of this video or the comment section and get started. So data force is one of the airdrop, the app airdrop that you can actually farm using your phone. And the airdrop launching have not started yet, but there is this USDT that you receive when you watch ads on the app, and every month they distribute this USDT, which you can convert immediately to USDT, and you can send it directly to your exchange. So now, for those of you that have actually participated, the first thing you need to do is to come here. So when you come here, you realize that if you look at the top section here, you see earned, balance, then settlement. So the amount you've actually earned overall, you're going to see it under earned section. Then after completing your settlement, then your balance will be shown here. So now let's look at settlement. So if your balance is not showing, all you need to do is to come to the settlement section. So you can see from here now, all the settlement, the aspect that is showing green means the settlement I have claimed. You get the point. So now this one is the ongoing month. So I can't claim it yet because it's not yet ready. So now I'm going to wait for the next month for me to actually claim claim the rest. Now from here you're going to see your balance. Here you're going to see your balance, and from your balance you can actually withdraw it. So this is how you can actually get it done. Now for you to withdraw, you need to do is to click on this balance section. Then this will actually appear. Now for those of you, you can see this wallet address here is the wallet address of the app. So all you need to do is to type in the amount of USDC you want to convert to USDT. So let's say for instance $5. You can see I'm having $0. You will see your balance here. So it's automatically converted to USDT. So when you do that, you just click on submit. You get the point. Then let's look at our USDT history. So when you click on the history, then you see the settlement and withdrawal history here. Do you get the point? So, and the minimum balance you can withdraw is $1. So once your balance is up to $1, you can actually initiate your withdrawal. Now let's go back to our wallet. So this is our wallet here. Immediately you are done withdrawing it from that section, you come to the wallet section. So when you come to the wallet section, you're going to see the amount of USDT you have. You can see the amount I have here. Then you will need BNB as gas fee. So what I do is for you to access your wallet, you click here. So when you click here, so from here you can now access your wallet. So if you want to copy your wallet address for your BNB to send in your gas fee, just $1 worth of gas fee is enough. It's more than enough. So you just click here, then click on deposit, then you copy. So when you click on deposit, then the chain network, you change it to BNB. So from there, you can copy your wallet address. You get the point. Now, let's go back to USDT. So our main business is USDT. So you come to USDT here. So after getting your gas fee, so when you click, then you're going to see transfer. So look at the transfer. So I'm going to click on transfer. So then the chain network, I'm going to change it from Delta Kim to BNB chain. So I would advise you use BNB chain. Then from BNB chain, you copy your wallet address. Then the amount you want to send, you can see the gas fee, BNB gas fee we are getting. So we're going to copy our wallet address now. So now we have copied our USDT wallet address. And mind you, the USDT, the chain we are using is BNB. Please take note of that. Then the amount we want to withdraw. So we're going to select all, or you type in the amount. Let's put, okay, let's reduce the amount here. So the transfer have been executed. Execution what? Successful. It got clear. So I'm going to wait for a few minutes to see my account being credited. So with this, I would say that data force is actually legit. You actually get airdrop even before the actual data force airdrop. Just by watching ads on data force, you get paid. So if you want to actually get started, please check the link in the description of this video and get started immediately. This is actually legit. As you farm, you watch ads, you get rewarded monthly. That's great. So see you next time for more exciting updates. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.